Ubayel hek menteri ketenar kekoi kekia ulong baka sorkar kela persang lut kat badan kilat ban pensau thu igi paj ba halor kilat jinga da ye kajing pang COVID-19 hindoi gidang dan bar ki breu ni ki kinhun ki pensau thu bakla bari ki bakum kini dei ban kem kat kum ka Epidemic Act ulong baki DC ki SDO ki BDO ki la trela ka kaman pensau thu kumno ban yada na kani kajing pang hindoi dang dan par ki pensau thu bakla.
All the department concerned have been given responsibility for IEC awareness program, so many things. But still people are reluctant to take. Even so many strategy had been introduced through deputy commissioner, through BDO, through all the different districts. But still people are still reluctant to take the vaccine. Because we cannot force anybody also, because it is not mandatory as per act. This is only willingly, only people can take the but still, in spite of so many strategy introduced by the different deputy commissioner, still people are not come forward to take the vaccine.
Ulong ru baki dan kat tu kat ni gi boong bakim tre ban inject ni ban shim dawai ban yada no niu knyang jingpang. Hindoi na kabenta jongki ubahek ubu ka jingkali hatu gini la da dei gi balik school kinum khrekot de le exam hatu kin pass tharai.
Some religious group, they're saying the people not to go to take the vaccine, only by praying they can be cured. And I told them also, then your children also don't tell them not to study. Let them just go and appear in the exam, just pray and they will pass. The same thing.
Ulong ru baka jing IT kai ki driver taxi ber ki nongshong dukan ke de ban yadahi yaki bari ki paj ba.
The DC what they are doing for our good. Okay, they are not doing anything to harm us. Doing for our best, for our good. So, suppose now a taxi driver, he is carrying the passenger. We don't know the passenger or the carrier or the taxi driver or the carrier. To protect both the side, so we have to be protected first by giving the vaccine. Same thing I told the shopkeepers also, the shop owner. When you are the shop owner, we don't know whether you are the carrier or the consumers are the carrier.
Namar bakaan Epidemic Act kamsha ban pen bor yanu ban lay ai inject lanitika ka sarkar lingba ki DC kala pen mi bon ki lar kilinti ban pen thu bar khring ki paj ba bakin lay ai inject hindre namar badan par ki pen thu bakla bar ki paj ba ro ki nge ki kumda ki bon kim tre ban lay ai inject ula pen paro ka jingsko khia balayo jing te bakidan ki rangalam nyam ro ki bayalap bakla bar pen thu bakla ki paj ba ulong bay ki bakum ki nero ka an kanumap ladayo ki sakhi ki babyang.
So those who go against the epidemic, they should be booked under the Epidemic Act. Negative publicity going against the life of the people, they should be booked. Religious, if you give me proof, you just heard, na? You give me proof here. If it is proof, definitely law will take their own course here.